This is the last tutorial in the 2D sketching section, and after that we're going to move to the 3D modeling features. But in previous tutorials we learned how to deal with the 3D sketching, profiles and so on. So we assume that you don't have any difficulties in creating sketches, profiles and so on. So that will help you in creating quality 3D modelings. So it is step by step. And now we're going to talk about the last thing in sketching, which is the sketch tree. As you notice, we created all these profiles in the previous tutorials, and all of them are in one sketch. So if you delete this sketch, you're going to delete all these shapes and profiles. And this part tree, including this sketch tree, you can move it up and down by scrolling the mouse wheel. If you press enter and scroll up and down, you zoom it in and out. And if you expand the sketch name here, you will notice every single profile, line, point has a place here. For example, if you pick this one, it should be somewhere there, but let's pick this line. So this is the line, first line. If you pick this is line. So any single sketch here has an entity under the sketch tool, sketch. And if you right click on the sketch properties, you are able to change the name. Apply. Okay. As well, you can do changing the name of any entities inside this sketch properties, line. Also, you can delete the line. For example, if you pick this line, right click, delete. And also, if you go to right click, you have the basic cut, copy, paste. Anyone is familiar with these. And one thing else I want to show you, if you want to hide a profile, for example, let's pick any profile here and right click, hide, show. So you're going to hide the selected edges. Ctrl C. Also, you can select what you want to hide from here, from the tree. Let's hide this line, hide. If you want to show it again, you can notice how the icon changed. Show. So one thing else I'll show, if you click on this branch, you will notice that your sketch turned into dark and you are not able to work with it. You can't move it or zoom it or anything. Instead, you are working with the tree. So you can move it up and down. For example, if you use the same mouse commands to zoom in and zoom out for the part as we learned before, but you're going to zoom in the tree, you notice we have a lot of entities here, and if you use the same command of moving the sketch as we learned in the previous tutorial. We're going to move the tree. So now to reactivate the sketch area, again click on that white branch. Now use the mouse command. You are zooming in and out the sketch, not the tree, and move it. And if you want to freeze it, here you are turning it into dark. So this is now the last thing with the sketches. I assume now there's no difficulties dealing with sketching. We already learned a lot about 2D sketching, profiles, constraint, dimensions. So now it's time to move to 3D modeling features. So here is exit our sketch, and see you in the